To shop till you drop. Amber is here to tell us all about a fun upcoming boutique with dozens of vendors. Amber, welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having us. We're excited to be here.
Well, we are excited. This display is gorgeous. What is the Crazy Daisy Boutique?
So the Crazy Daisy Boutique is a boutique with over 65 local small businesses where they can come showcase their products and get in front of hundreds and hundreds of shoppers, and it's just win-win for everybody.
Love that. All right, let's talk about what you brought with you today. Let's start with this frame over here.
Yes, so this frame right here is from Switchable Picks, and it's actually magnetic. So the pictures can come off and on, and you can customize them to your family photos or just cute little sayings they have. And they have big ones too, like really big frames that you can put on your porch or wherever.
I love that, because so many times you want to switch pictures and you have to take out the back, but this is so much easier now that it's a magnet. All right, talk to us about this porchware.
Oh, the porch decor is amazing. This is from Porch Perfect, Utah, and they have everything you can think of. This is just a tiny snippet of it. And you can, everything you need to doll up your front porch or your back patio or cute little gazebo area. They have so many options. They also have kitchen decor too.
Oh, and it's so cute. And it's that time of year. I mean, it's Utah, so it could snow again, but for the most part, we're getting ready for spring, and people are thinking of their porches and their decks. All that is so much fun, right? And then talk to us about what's here.
Okay, this is called Xenia, and they make amazing bath and body products. One of my favorites is the lotion with a little bit of oil, and you rub it in, and it has healing powers, and it makes your skin so silky smooth.
I love that. Well, we live in a desert, so anything we can do to hydrate our skin is great. What are the giveaways that you'll be having?
So for the April 6th, we're giving away a Cricut maker and a bunch of supplies to go with it to get you started. Yeah, we're really excited about it.
All right, and your nonprofit will be present. What is Hopeful, and what is its mission?
Okay, Hopeful is where my heart is, and it is to support seniors and reducing and minimizing their school lunch debt. So at some schools here locally, if you have a lunch debt and you're a senior, you don't get to participate in school activities. Some of them don't get their diploma, some don't get to walk at graduation, and there is a very large need for this. I have stories. There was a young kid at a high school who was a football player. Everybody knew him, just fantastic. And instead of letting it be known he was behind on his lunch balance, because when you check in, they tell you your balance, you know. He didn't want to do that, so he would grab ketchup packets and take them into the lunchroom or outside and eat them that way to avoid people seeing and stuff like that. So there is a huge need. After COVID, it grew exponentially, and so that's where our heart is. That's what we're working for. So
absolutely. And I mean, obviously that story is so heartbreaking, and you are trying to end stories like that so these seniors don't have to worry about that, and they're just worrying about school. Where can we go for more information?
You can go to our website at crazydaisypro.com, and for Hopeful, click Giving Back, and it has the link to make any donation that you possibly can if you have the means. I know a lot of seniors would really appreciate it.
Ripples make waves. Even the smallest amount can make the biggest difference. Amber, thank you so much for coming.
Thanks for having me.
We've appreciated having you.